Good morning. Let's start with the next lesson in Unit 4 from our English Balbharati textbook. Lesson number 4, Tasty Treat. Okay, this is an activity and this I have included in work experience also. So we are going to make two recipes, and before we start making the recipes, just some interesting information. I'm going to tell you a story, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Okay, chalo then let's start. Sandwich. Everybody loves sandwich, right? And what is a sandwich? These are the two slices of bread, and you put anything in between those two slices, vegetables, egg, meat, etc. And you make a sandwich. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the story of a sandwich, how this was invented and where it was invented. It is a very interesting story. So, all of you are excited? Yes? Chalo, then let's start. And yes, of course, we do have this sandwich for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So it can be had, or we can eat this anytime, right? Chalo. Yes, and one more use. Easy to carry. It is easy to carry. You can carry it in your tiffin during the school time, and for picnics also you like to take sandwiches. Okay, so chalo, let's start with the story of Sandwich. Sandwich is actually a town in England. Okay, and this is the town of Sandwich. In 1639 it was incorporated. So John Montague. He was the fourth Earl of Sandwich. Okay, Sandwich is a place. I told you, Sandwich is a place in England. And Earl means what you know, like there is a king and there are a lot of ministers. उनका दरबार होता है king का और उसमें बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं ना ministers are there. Same way, there that is in England, the ministers, one of the ministers, they are called, he's called as an Earl. That is the designation given. Okay, so fourth Earl of Sandwich, and he loved to play cards and would spend hours on the card. Yeah, he loved to play cards in the sense वो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता था कार्ड्स खेलना और वो घंटों बिना उठे वो कार्ड्स खेलते रहते थे. He used to be on the table for a long time. Like even in the morning, if he used to start, then he won't get up till the evening, or afternoon if he starts, then he won't get up till night. Like that, he used to play continuously for long hours. Okay, and so one day, what happened? He did not want to get up while playing the cards, and he was feeling very hungry. उसे बहुत भूख लगी थी. Okay, तो उसने क्या किया? What he said, he asked his cook to make something which he could eat, and his hunger would be satisfied, and he would not need to get up from the table. उसे अपने टेबल से कार्ड खेलना छोड़ के उठना न पड़े, ऐसा कुछ खाना बनाने के लिए बोला. Okay, so his cook, what he did, he took two slices of bread. Like in India, we make rotis, no? So outside in the Western countries, they don't make rotis. They go at the time of, sorry, at the time of lunch or dinner, they get some bread from the bakery, and they use it along with the vegetables or meat or whatever they want to eat. Okay, so in between the two sandwiches he put some vegetables and meat and all, everything he put, and the sandwich was born here. Because this particular recipe was first time made in a place called Sandwich, the recipe was called, it became famous as Sandwich. Okay, so let's start making a sandwich. We'll first make a chutney sandwich, which is a very easy non-fire cooking. You can take the help of your parents, and taking two white breads, you can also take two brown bread. I'm going to apply butter. This is Amul butter. I have melted it a bit so that it is easier to apply it on the bread. So on the one slice I have applied butter, and on the other slice I am going to apply chutney. Okay, I have made a pudina chutney and I'm going to apply this on this slice. So quickly we'll apply, and just we have to press the two slices together, and this is your chutney sandwich. Chutney sandwich is ready. So in case you don't want to add chutney, you can also add jam instead of chutney and make jam sandwich. Okay, now in this you can also put some vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, potatoes, and then you can press it together, close it together, and it will become a vegetable sandwich. So today I have planned to make masala sandwich. So what I have done is, here are some boiled potatoes, and I have mashed them. Okay, so properly I have mashed them, and I'm going to add some onions in this, some green chilies. So if you don't like spicy, you can skip this chilies, green chilies you can skip. Okay, so I have put some chaat masala in it, and this is how nicely I have will be adding. And this is the chaat masala. I will also add some sandwich masala in it, so that we can make a proper filling for the sandwich. Okay, and some salt also we'll be adding. So this is how we have added. This is some salt. Yes, and now what we are going to do is we are going to mix this all together. Okay, so that we can easily fill in on the bread. We can apply this mixture on the bread. Okay, so this is the mixture. I forgot to put turmeric, so I'm putting some turmeric. Turmeric is an antibiotic, and it is very good for your health. So I have added turmeric, and this is red chili powder, that also I forgot to put. So today this together I'm mixing properly. Okay, now our mixture is ready. I will just clean this surface. Yes, this is our mixture. So I'll clean the surface before I keep my bread slices on it. So this is the chutney sandwich which we had made earlier. I'll just open it up, and now I will convert it into a masala sandwich. So this is the slice of the bread, and I'm applying the aloo masala which I had made. You can also put in some green peas, boiled green peas, or any other vegetables. French beans also you can put. So in the masala you can use according to your liking. And now this is cheese slice. So I'll put a cheese slice on the aloo mixture, and I'll cover it with the second slice. Okay, now I'm gonna toast this. Okay, if you have a toaster, sandwich toaster, you can use that. These are the few more sandwiches I've made. By the time it is getting toasted, yes. So this is ready, masala toast sandwich, and it is going to be yummy. So you can make a vegetable sandwich, you can make a jam sandwich, you can make as per your choice. And now I'm going to show you how to make banana delight. So these are the bananas, and ripe bananas. I have cut them into pieces. Okay, so for this you can take the help of your parents, or you can just chop it off with your hands itself. This is sugar. I'm going to add sugar, a few teaspoons of sugar, because it is a sweet dish. And I'm going to add now some milk. Okay, so this is milk I'm adding, and now I will stir it. Stir it means with a spoon I am going to mix it. Okay, So this is how we are going to make banana delight. In Marathi we call it केळीचं शिकरण, केळ्याचं शिकरण. Okay, so basically it is केळ्याचं शिकरण and called banana delight. Hope you enjoyed making both the items, and do not forget to list down whatever you have used to make both the recipes. Okay, bye, see you.